This video will show tips and tricks to using the Pinellas Genealogy Society calendar. First, launch our website, then click on the calendar option. Slide down until the entire calendar is visible. The calendar opens a list of all upcoming events, starting with today's date. You can change the start date of the list with the pull-down calendar options or the blue left and right buttons. If you lose track of the days, you can always click on the Today button, which will reset the start date. People who like to plan ahead can click on a weekly view or click on the monthly view. And of course, blue right and left buttons will change the months. You can click on the agenda button, which brings you back to a list of events starting with today. If you see a class or an event that interests you, then you can click on the title for a short synopsis. When you see an event you want to attend, then you can add it to your calendar if you're using Google Calendars. This option does not work if you're using Outlook, and may not work on your phone calendar unless you're using Google Calendars on your phone. This will open a new event on your calendar. This becomes just another event in your calendar that you can edit or delete. You can add the entire PGS calendar to your personal Google Calendar by clicking on the small plus symbol at the bottom of the page. A window will open to confirm that you want to add the calendar. From here on, all PGS events will appear on your calendar without you having to do anything else. Use your calendar as you normally do. For example, you can choose the monthly view, and you can see all PGS events coming up. Finally, you don't have to look at all the events all the time. If you click on the little checkbox to the left of the calendar name, the events will become visible or not. And this is the end of how to use the PGS calendar.
This video is produced by Rick Jaggers. Learn more at www.jaggers.net.